Pump it up, 9 healthy pre-workout breakfasts. Pre-workout breakfasts are a great way to get the body ready for your workout or training routine. A pre-workout breakfast is an excellent meal used in conjunction with your other diet and exercise efforts. The high protein within the breakfast will provide you with the energy you require to hit the gym. Berries are full of antioxidants and significantly boost physical performance. They can be accommodating if you don't already have a consistent breakfast plan. There are many different kinds of pre-workout smoothies that you can try. Here's a simple yet effective method to kickstart your mornings with an all-natural fruit juice drink. The juice will be a delicious addition to any natural breakfast smoothie recipe. It has the added benefits of enhancing energy, metabolism-boosting, and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. All-natural fruit juice. Here's a simple yet effective method to kickstart your mornings with an all-natural fruit juice drink. The juice will be a delicious addition to any natural breakfast smoothie recipe. It has the added benefits of enhancing energy, metabolism boosting, and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Almonds and lettuce smoothie. One of the most popular pre-workout breakfasts on the market today is a delicious smoothie that includes some whole grain crackers with some sliced fresh fruit and a generous serving of almond or soy milk. The almond and lettuce serve as a high-fiber source to help your body feel full immediately after finishing your workout. The fruit will provide many antioxidants and other vitamins to help cleanse the system after your workout. Yogurt and banana smoothie. It makes an excellent, simple breakfast option as well. Another option is to use a banana blended with yogurt and milk to create a frozen smoothie and drink it during your morning workout. Both options are delicious and filling and will provide your body with the nutrients it needs for solid training. Cereals and granola bar. Breakfast is an essential part of any muscle-gaining routine. Having a few small meals start your day will give your metabolism a jump start. If you have trouble sleeping at night, try the breakfast as a late-night snack. Pre-workout snacks are essential to give you that little extra boost to push through that annoying workout. These bars will provide you with a quick pick-me-up after you've worked out. Toast with jam. Most bodybuilders will have consumed their last protein before leaving the house for the day. If you're feeling peckish, grabbing a sandwich might be a better option than a plate of pasta. Try something light, sugary, and easily digestible, like a slice of toast with fruit jam. In addition to being easy to eat, it should also be cheap and easy to make. A bowl of popcorn. The other type of food that should go into your pre-workout breakfast is more healthy. Something that can kickstart your metabolism without loading it up with empty calories. A good idea would be something like a bowl of popcorn. Popcorn is high in calories and low in fat, making it an ideal pre-workout snack. You can combine with nuts, which are another type of healthy food that can help spike your metabolism. Ham and eggs. It also stands as great breakfast ideas, although there's nothing wrong with mixing up your favorite ham and egg recipes with some fresh vegetables or fruits to add variety. Another concept often overlooked is using sprouted grain in place of regular bread crumbs. Sprouted grain is rich in fiber and protein, making it great for pre-workout snacks and breakfast and serving as an excellent meal during the day. The secret is eating it with lots of vegetables and fruit. Don't overcook it. Fruit smoothie. Fruit smoothies contain essential vitamins and nutrients that your body needs for muscle growth. They are also low in calories and can easily mix into your diet. For a healthy and nutritious smoothie, use fresh fruit like blueberries or strawberries and mix them with yogurt or banana. Add a layer of ice cubes over your yogurt and blend well. To obtain the desired consistency, you can add 1 cup of whey protein or chickpea powder. A pre-workout meal that is tasty, nutritious and easy to make.
Granola or protein bar. Most protein bars and other energy bars come loaded with empty calories, so make sure you get something that's high in quality lean protein like plain whey or casein protein. There are many good options available, so don't rule out the granola or protein bar variety, but instead look for a high-quality protein like a mix of whey, casein and soy. Many athletes swear by the product, and it has become one of the more popular morning options around. Another great option is a delicious protein bar loaded with taste buds like cinnamon or walnuts, loaded with fiber. Taken from Yahoo. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.